Yo,
And
nigga.
let's vlog.
Take it.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take over the vlog. So I'm ready to vlog Jiape. This is Hanshan. Let's vlog together. We are just gonna stand in the middle of the road.
We just finished the freaking coffee session.
Yeah, man, we just finished a coffee session. So
We're gonna
let's vlog.
Block the road.
Come on, let me stand in front. Yay! Yay! Is it filming? Yeah, it's filming. Fuck, I don't think it's filming. Fuck, yeah. There's no car behind. Is that car behind? Oh shit, there's car behind. Hey, wait. Fuck me. Shit.
We passed so
Damn.
far away.
Yeah, man. We have to walk all the way to our car.
And I hope it's not like wet lah because of the leak.
Yeah, man. It's raining just after the rain. Isn't it this your car? Hey, wait. Is it?
No,
Shit.
newer model lah.
Sorry.
The lazy looking one.
Okay, better not film so. Screw it lah. At least better than this lah.
Yeah.
This broke ass car.
BBQ.
What the hell? So yeah, I'm fucking sleepy.
5 series. Too big, too ugly.
Yeah, man. So